Who's our lucky contestant?
RJ.
RJ. First bath. Get ready. Get set.
Ready?
Ooh. Little suds of suds. Oh. This is the way we wash our puppy, wash our puppy, wash our puppy. This is the way we wash our puppy in the kitchen sink. He does the same to mine.
I don't know.
That's good. Start them young.
Well, they all decided to play and poop. What you think?
It looks like he's kind of enjoying it.
Where's the rinse? I'll hold you up.
Warm water. Yeehaw.
Yeah. That's it. I could do without this part, Mom. I could do without this part. What you think?
Did you get the top of his head? Oh, you're all right.
Okay. That's good. You got a towel?
Yes, we do. All right, you little guy.
There we go. RJ's first bath.
You don't like being wet, do you?
I said, I like being wet. I just don't like being rinsed.
All right, dry time for you. Give us a pause up, buddy. Contestant number 2, Teddy Joe. TJ's in the water.
He's not liking this.
He said, I'm a long hair. This ain't supposed to be this. Look at the suds. You get sudded up, buddy. Not just the baby, mama. he likes to power rinse. He didn't mind being rinsed off as much as RJ. It's beside you.
It's wet.
Use that one first, and then the next one won't be so wet. And he's in the dryer. Contestant number 4. 3, 2, 1. All right. Lily, it's your turn. Let us know what you think.
What's it my turn for? Shit, ready?
You didn't ask for a bath, but you're going to get your first one.
I don't know what the hell you're doing, but you can stop now.
Scrub a puppy, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun.
What do you think? What you think, little girl?
She said, I've had worse. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll think of it. I don't know. She's kind of more chilled than the other two.
Yeah.
It's the final rinse down. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. To the dryer. Lily. Hey, Lily. Say hello. Alright, we'll let you dry off in peace. Molly Moo, it's your turn now. Yeah. Your first bath. Hope you enjoy. You see, yeah, I don't think so.
Oh. I'm not a water dog.
We'll see, because when it comes to boys versus girls, the girls have behaved way better. RJ was scared of the rinse. Teddy was all over the place. Lily sat still. Molly's chilling.
Molly's not chilling.
Oh, yes, she's.
Molly's terrified.
Well, she said because the water got deep since the other 3.
She She's taller, so. It's okay, I got you. It's taking the hell.
It's the final rinse down. The last puppy.
All good?
Molly, you all wet behind the ears. Yeah. Molly moo. Alright, well, you enjoy your dry time. Tell everybody to say you hope you enjoyed watching me get a bath.